even for a single second, because this is special. So, ladies and gentlemen, request you all sit back, take a deep breath, and hold on. But this is for you. Now, can I have those hands going together? Present to you Kutumba right now.
Yes, beta. Angondu, but makeup ಮಾಡ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Come.
Ayurappa, Bhish! He's so handsome, G. He's not even married. I know he's
Here.
waiting for this 22-year
come.
sexy lady.
Hey, Bua. What are you doing?
Bittu!
Okay. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಗಂಡಿನ ತರ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮದುವೆ ಗಂಡ.
Look here. Bhish, I want to marry him.
You want to marry this TV Bhish? You want to marry? No. Go to this Huawei free gym. There are many handsome, sexy guys working out there.
Hey, Bittu, I don't want this Huawei boys here. They are always behind release. I want this Bhishma only.
You want to marry this TV Bhish only? Yes. I'm sure you're drunk, Bua. What nonsense.
Bittu, you know what? Marrying this Huawei boys is equal to being single only. They will never come home. What I will do?
You will
But
remain single for the rest of your life.
I know Bhishma is single because he knew that someday I will be born. And
I just hope you don't turn out like your dadi, like my dadi.
Bittu, you will see one day I will get married and you will dance in my barat, okay?
Where is dadi? You saw dadi? Dadi! Are you
Dadi?
dadi? This dadi also don't have time sense here. I don't know what to do.
Where is your wife? All work I should do at home.
I
Dadi,
didn't
Dadi came.
Drunk. Who is drunk? I want a drink. My drink is over.
Dadi, you can't even walk and you want to drink for?
Bittu, I can even dance.
Stop it, dadi, stop it. What dance?
Bittu, Ittu Sata, I have given you so much of milk and you are not giving me Ittusi drink?
What? You gave me milk?
Naughty Bittu from bottle.
It will be so romantic if I meet Bhishma.
Hey, Bua, stop dreaming. Bua with Bhishma in Mahabharat. Only Superman can do. No, better Shaktiman can do. Call Shaktiman.
Bittu, you wait, I'll call Shaktiman. Shaktiman, please help me.
Suck. Tell me. Wow, Shaktiman has come to Kapil family. Wow, Shaktiman, you are so sexy. I don't know what to do. My mind is not working. Let me call my sister, okay? Falak. Didi, Shaktiman is come.
Yeah, let us welcome Shaktiman to our family, okay?
Okay.
आप आए हैं हमारे घर में, आप आए हैं हमारे घर में, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन, शक्तिमान शक्तिमान शक्तिमान.
I don't have time. Who called me?
Shaktiman, please take me to the scene playing in this TV, please.
Okay. Follow me. Mama Shri! Mama Shri! Where are you? Come fast! Come fast! Bande! My baby! I am back! It was urgent! Tell me fast! How much do you want?
6, Mama Shri, 6.
6? Take it! Tell me fast! How much do you want?
12, Mama Shri, 12.
12? Take it!
पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार
Stop it!
दादी Let me introduce Gutti, Falak, Dadi, Bua, Bittu, Kapil family, COO, Kapil family, BL head, Kapil family, that head, this head, Kapil family, that
Stop
head,
it,
this head,
stop
Kapil
it.
family.
What? That head, this head, this head,
Picky.
your head. That head, this head. You are Shakuni?
Yes, I am Shakuni, the gentleman.
Gentleman, Babaji ka tullu. Because of you, the whole Mahabharat started. Because of him.
Yes, it is because of him. If you play the game, you will lose. Let's change the game.
Mama Shri, tell me, I will kill this boy. Nice! That's the way. Make it Shanti!
Yeah, let us change the game. Let us play cricket.
Cricket is not so touching, it's itching. Let's play kabaddi.
Yeah, let us play kabaddi.
Let me confirm with Maharaj first. Maharaj, can we play kabaddi? Kabaddi. Okay, we play kabaddi. खेल शुरू किया जाए.
From our team, Falak will come and win the show. Are you ready, audience? Yeah, Falak. Falak, go.
Falak,
Falak.
Kabaddi. Kabaddi. Kabaddi.
Yeah.
No! My father cannot be out!
Yeah, Falak.
Shakku darling, I will go.
Dadi,
Kabaddi.
Dadi,
Kabaddi.
Dadi.
Kabaddi. 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 No!
Arjun. Arjun.
Arjun, please hit on me.
Arjun. Yeah, Arjun won.
Hit me.
Mama Shri, tell me, I'm going to pull the saris.
Oh, you want to pull the sari? Pull mine. No. Bande, let me go. Shakku. Kabaddi.
मेरे हुस्न के कोने 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 दी कोने कोने दी बेबी डाल मसाने दी बेबी डाल मसाने दी बेबी डाल मसाने दी
No! बाबा जी का टुल्लू, बाबा जी का टुल्लू, बाबा जी का टुल्लू.
Shakuni is running.
Shakuni is running.
Shakuni is running. Shakuni is running.
Captain.
Darling, why so silent?
Swami, there is no one on the stage. I think the show is over.
Oh, is it? Let's go and punch out.
I'll also come. I'll also come.
Run, run, run.